Hey guys, figured I'd make a quick video. This is the solder I've been grabbing for a couple of years now. It's the TOWOT tinted lead Rosin core solder wire. The solder flux is 1.8% and it's only 12 bucks, which is super cheap. So we'll have a quick look at it. Get it open. Yeah, what's nice about this, it's got a lot of weight. What's nice about this is it goes right to the edge. It's not like really thick in the middle. So yeah, so you're really getting the full amount. Even for $12, that's pretty good. Good enough to pick up too. I would show it flowing, but I haven't got the fan set up yet, so. But I'm going to build an amp with it. Hopefully it works out pretty good. Just going to do a quick flow test. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Balls up nicely, it's nice and shiny. Doesn't go flat and dull. Decent flux in it. Keep going, heat it up. I got it as hot as this will go, which is 500. Still balling up, still shiny. Yeah, it's good solder.